Hi, my name is Kara, and I'm one of the case managers here at SVS South San Francisco. This week's activity will be a bird feeder. In the package, we're going to provide you a bottle with holes in them and with twine, some bird seeds, and chopsticks or skewers. You'll also be getting a piece of paper to make a funnel. First, we're going to use a skewer or chopstick. Find the bottom hole. Find the most bottom hole. So we're going to use the chopstick. Put it into the small hole, bottom hole. Find the corresponding hole on the other side. Push through to make the first perch. The second one, we'll make a second perch using another skewer or chopstick. We'll find another hole, which is a little higher, but on the perpendicular side of the first perch. Put that in. We're gonna find the corresponding hole on the other side. Push through. So you'll have your two perches. So in order to get the bird seeds into the bottle, we made a makeshift funnel. Just take a piece of paper, make it into a little cone, and tape it. So we can just put it there. And then you take your bird seeds and pour it in. Now that we got our bird feeder completed, we can go hang it outside.